Welcome back to our channel, where we explore some of the most beautiful places in the world. Today, we are taking you on a virtual tour of Giethoorn, a charming village nestled in the Netherlands. Known as the Venice of the North, Giethoorn is famous for its enchanting canals and idyllic scenery. Let's dive right in. One of the best ways to experience Giethoorn is by taking a boat ride along its waterways. The village has no roads, and the primary mode of transportation here is by boat or on foot. As you cruise through the canals, you'll be captivated by the beauty of the thatched-roof cottages and lush greenery surrounding you. The architectural style of the houses in Giethoorn is unique and adds to the village's charm. Most of the houses date back to the 18th and 19th centuries, and their well-preserved facades create a delightful atmosphere. It feels like stepping into a storybook. While exploring Giethoorn, you'll come across numerous picturesque pedestrian bridges that connect different parts of the village. These charming bridges, adorned with flowers, offer perfect photo opportunities and are great spots to take a moment and soak in the tranquility of this place. Giethoorn is truly a hidden gem, a place where time seems to stand still. Whether you're seeking tranquility, natural beauty, or a unique cultural experience, Giethoorn offers it all. So, if you ever find yourself in the Netherlands, make sure to add Giethoorn to your itinerary. Trust me, you won't be disappointed.